Hi everybody, welcome back to a new grammar lesson. In this lesson, we're going to talk about subject pronouns and present simple to be verbs. This is a very important grammar for beginners. By learning this grammar, you can start making sentences. So, in the very beginning part of the lesson, let's have a look at subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are classified into two different categories in English, which are singular subject pronouns and plural subject pronouns. First, let's have a look at singular subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it. All these are singular subject pronouns. A singular subject pronoun refers to one person, one thing, or an animal. And plural subject pronouns, you, we, they. These are plural subject pronouns. Plural subject pronouns refer to more than one person, one thing, or more than an animal. Now, let's have a definition of subject pronouns. Subject pronouns show who or what something does or is. Means that subject pronouns actually describe the doer of an action or describes who someone is or what something is. Let's see these two examples to make it more clear. She cooks dinner. In this example, she is the subject pronoun, which refers to the person who does an action, the person who cooks dinner. The next example, he is a doctor. In this sentence, he is the subject pronoun, which refers to the person who is a doctor. Let me explain you a little bit more about you, it, and they. You can be both singular and plural, means can refer to one person or to more than one person. Let's see the examples. You are a good friend, Tom. In this example, the subject pronoun you refer to Tom, which is one person, which is singular. The next example, you are good friends, Tom and Sarah. In this sentence, the subject pronoun you refers to both Tom and Sarah. So here, you is a plural subject pronoun. It. We use it for animals and things, not for the people. But if the animal is a pet, instead of it, you can use he or she. See the examples? This is an elephant. It's big. Here in this example, it refers to the elephant, which is an animal. It's big means the elephant is big. The next example, she loves her dog. He is funny means the dog is funny. In this example, he refers to the dog, which is a pet dog. They can be used for people, things, and animals. Let's see the examples here. Where are the boys? They are at home. In this example, they means the boys. They are at home means the boys are at home. The books can be replaced by they. Here, they means the books. The dogs. Here, they means the dogs. As you can see, we can use they for people, for things, and animals. In previous lesson, I have talked in more details about subject pronouns. I put the link in the description section of this video. If you want to learn more about subject pronouns, you can go and watch that video. Now let's move on to the next part of the lesson. In this part of the lesson, we're gonna learn to be verbs. Actually, to be verbs in English can have different tense forms, like present form, past form, future form, and so on. Here, we're gonna cover present simple to be verbs. Im, is, are, these are the present simple to be verbs in English. Im, is, are present simple to be verbs. Now, let's learn the usages of to be verbs. We use to be verbs to tell the name of someone, like, my name is Sarah. Nationality, like, we are German. To express the feelings, like, I am happy. To tell someone's job, like, she is a doctor. And to talk about someone's age, like, he is 18 or he is 18 years old. Good. As you saw, we use to be verbs to talk about names, nationalities, feelings, job, and age of someone. Okay, let's continue the lesson and learn the combination of subject pronouns and to be verbs to make sentences. Well, in this part of the lesson, we're gonna learn combination of subject pronouns in to be verb. Actually, in this part, you're gonna learn how to make sentences with subject pronouns and to be verbs. So first, let's have a look at this structure. In this structure, you see subject plus to be. It means to make a sentence, first you write a subject pronoun and then the proper to be verb. In the first part, we have affirmative form of subject pronouns and to be verbs. I am, or the contraction of to be with the subject pronoun. I'm, you are, you are, you are, we are, we are, we are, we are, they are, they are, they are, they are, he is, his, she is, she's, it is, or it's. Let me tell you how to contract the to be verb with the subject pronoun. You just need to remove the first letter of to be verb. Instead, use an apostrophe like here. It's very easy. Now, let's see the negative form. To make the negative form of subject pronoun and to be verb, you just need to add the adverb not after to be verb, like these examples. I am not, or I'm not, you are not, you aren't. Here, as you can see, the to be verb is contracted with the adverb not. To contract the to be verbs with the adverb not, you remove the letter O, instead use an apostrophe like here. The next example, we are not, we are not, we aren't, we aren't, they are not, or they aren't, he is not, he isn't, she is not, she isn't, it is not, it isn't. As you can see, it's very simple to make a negative form of subject pronouns with to be verbs. Just use the adverb not after to be verb. Okay, and now let's see the question form of subject pronouns and to be verbs. To make the question form, you need to change the position of to be verb with the subject pronoun. It means use the to be verb at the beginning of the sentence. Let's see the examples. Am I, are you, are we, are they, is he, Is she? Is it? Very, very simple. Just change the position of the subject pronoun with to be verb. Now that you have learned the affirmative, negative, and question form of subject pronouns and to be verbs, let's continue the lesson and see some sentences of this combination or structure. As I told you, here we have subject pronouns and to be verb sentence examples. First, we will have some affirmative sentences. As we have learned, the structure of the sentences with subject pronouns and to be verbs can be this one. Subject plus to be verb plus complement. Complement means the words and phrases that can complete the meaning of the sentence. Okay, the first example, I am a student. I am a student. In this example, I is the subject, am is to be. A student can be the complement of our sentence, which completes the meaning of the sentence. The next example, you are from Canada. You are from Canada. We are friends. We are friends. They are classmates. They are classmates. He is happy. He is happy. She's a teenager. She is a teenager. It's a grammar book. It's a grammar book. Now, the negative sentences or examples. To make a negative sentence, you just need to add the adverb not after to be verb. Like these examples. I am not hungry. I am not hungry. You are not from US. You are not from US. We are not colleagues. We are not colleagues. They aren't at home. They aren't at home. He is not unhappy. He is not unhappy. She isn't old. She isn't old. It's not a math book. Okay, the interrogative or question sentences. To make a question, we just need to use the to be verb at the beginning of the sentence, like these examples. Am I invited at the party? Am I invited at the party? Are you from Canada? Are you from Canada? Are we friends? Are we friends? Are they at home? Are they at home? Is he sad? Is he sad? Is she a teenager? Is she a teenager? Is it a grammar book? Is it a grammar book? Okay, I hope these examples made the lesson a bit more clear for you. So now let's go to the last part of today's lesson. In the last part of today's lesson, we're going to learn subject pronouns and to be verb short answers. First, affirmative short answers. Yes, I am. Yes, you are. Yes, we are. Yes, they are. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. Good. Now the negative short answers. No, I am not. No, you aren't. No, we aren't. No, they aren't. No, he isn't. No, she isn't. No, it isn't. Okay, as you can see in the negative short answers, you have to use the contracted form of not with the to be verbs. let me tell you here that we cannot contract the to be verb am with not. So we always write them separated. So our today's lesson is over here. Thank you for being with me. Please subscribe to the channel. Wish you guys all the best and see you next time.